welcome to the online lobby. In this short tutorial, I will be showing you two apps which will help you to record your mobile screens. The first app is Premium app and I will show a method to download it for free, and the second app is available on Google Play Store. You can download it on Google Play Store. To download DU Recorder Premium APK file, I have given a link in the description box for DU Recorder Premium app. Click on the link. This will be the landing page. As you can see, three options: download 1, download 2, download 3. Click any one of them. In my case, I will be clicking on download 3. This will be the second landing page. Wait for few seconds. A pop-up option will come on your screen, get link. Click on get link. Wait for another few seconds. Another option will pop up on the screen, get go to link. Click on go to link. This will be the final landing page from where you will be downloading your APK file for DU Recorder Premium. Now click on download. Click on download. As you can see, I have downloaded this file. Click on this file, click continue, click install. It will take few seconds to install on your mobile phone. The file is being installed. Click on open. It will ask for few permission. Allow. And now, as you can see, DU Recorder is installed. Click on the app icon. It will ask for some permission to turn on. Click on turn on. Allow display over other apps. This is a demo tutorial for the app, and this is the main app panel. As you can see on the top header menu, 5 options. First one is gallery. You can save your recorded screen videos in this. Second one is screenshot gallery, where you will be saving your all screenshot. Third option is for live streaming. Fourth one is for editing, video editing, merge videos, video to GIF, Wi-Fi transfer, edit image and stitch image. And the fifth option is for settings. Ignore first two settings. Video settings, video resolution, set it to 1080p. Video quality, set it to 12 Mbps or as per your need. FPS, higher frame rate will make videos smoother but use more CPU. Set it to 50 FPS or as per your need. Scroll down. Countdown. Now this will enables you a 3 second, 5 second, 10 second countdown before starting your screen recordings. Hide the recording button on home page. Keep recording when screen is off. Pause recording for incoming call. Enable them. Recording tools: screenshot, camera, brush. Turn them on as per your need. Brush. Now when you enable this, you will be allowed to write on your mobile screens while recording your videos. You can see a customized menu. You can change color. You can use erase option to erase, or you can undo them directly. Show touches. This will allow you to show your touches on your screen while recording your videos. You will be able to see a short tutorial to enable this option on. Skip it for now. Enable watermark. Disable this option for DU Recorder watermark on your videos. Personalize watermark for recordings. You can use your personalized watermark with the help of this option. Enable or do it as per your need. That's it. For the second app, you need to go to Google Play Store to download the second app, which is AZ Screen Recorder. This is the app for AZ Screen Recorder. I have already installed it on my mobile phone. I will click on open. This is the main panel for the app. On the top left corner, 3-line menu with these all features available. Main menu contains 3 sections. First one is gallery option, where you will be saving all your videos in the app. Second one is image, where you will be saving screenshots. Third one is settings. Now these are all the setting options available, same as DU recorder. I have already set all the options as per my need. All the options are same as DU screen recorder. As you can see, all the premium options are available for free. Brush, camera, screenshot, text and logo. You can access all these options for free. Same customized menu as we have seen in DU screen recorder premium. You can customize it as per your need. Only difference between DU recorder premium app and AZ screen recorder is AZ screen recorder will be running ads on your phone while you are operating this app or making your videos, screen recording videos. This is only the con I have seen in this app. Else all features are same as DU screen recorder.